Welcome. Let's solve some of the questions from International Relations June 2025 UGC NET examination. Of course, the complete solutions are available on doorstep, the link below. The very first question talks about a very interesting concept, and that is creative destruction. Now, this has become a very important topic in light of the recent AI revolution. The idea under creative destruction is there is a constant process of innovation, and once that innovation occurs, entrepreneurs bring in new products, new methods, new markets, and as a result the old things become obsolete. Now these old things which are becoming obsolete are an automatic path of destruction for those things which have been obsolete, but of course on the line of that there are new creative things which are coming up, and therefore it is called as creative destruction. Now this term was laid down by an Austrian economist, and he was Joseph Schumpeter, and he talked about this concept back in 1942 in his book Capitalism, Socialism and Democracy, and he said that creative destruction was one of the very essential facts of capitalistic society or capitalism. The next question is BrahMos missile. Now interesting, BrahMos missile is named after two major rivers. This was in partnership with Russia that BrahMos was brought, and BrahMos comes from Brahma, which is the river Brahmaputra in India, and Moskva, which is the river Moskva in Russia. So together it is called as the BrahMos missile, and this was a joint agreement between DRDO, that is the Defense Research and Development Organization from India, and the Russian Machino-Sotrony. So those were the two intergovernmental agreements that were done back in 1998 with the collaboration of India and Russia, and this BrahMos missile was inducted. Elon Musk does not own which of these platforms? Now XAI and Starlink are with Elon Musk. However, Palantir is a public American software company which specifically deals with data analytics, or this was founded by a group of people which does not include Elon Musk, as simple. So XAI, X, which was formerly called as Twitter, a social media platform. XAI is the artificial intelligence company, and it has one of the leading edges with the other AI firms like OpenAI, DeepMind, and Starlink is a platform where a satellite internet constellation has been operated through SpaceX. So those three with Elon Musk. The next is, which of the following book is not written by Henry Kissinger? Now he is one of the very famous American foreign policy expert. He served as an NSA advisor, the National Security Advisor, and then he was the Secretary of the State under Nixon administration. He also had one of the very famous works on diplomacy, international history and statecraft. Some of his major works includes Diplomacy. Now this talks about the historical account of Western diplomacy. Then his another work is The World Order, which talks about the concept of world order, how it evolved across various regions. White House Years, which was the first volume of extensive memoirs which covered the time as his time as a national security advisor. And War by Other Means is not written by him. Now this is a book which has been co-authored by Blackwell and Harris, and this was again a book which examines the use of economic instruments. So this was another question. The next is, which of the following is not a member of Gulf Cooperation Council? Now Gulf Cooperation Council includes 6 members. Those 6 are Bahrain, then you have Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia and UAE. Now these are the 6 nations which are part of the Gulf Cooperation Council. However, Yemen is not a part of it, so Yemen is the answer here. So those were some of the questions on international relations. Of course, if you are looking for complete preparation on international relations, you can see it as under the code 90, which is politics including international relations, on doorstep, which includes the lectures, the questions and the PYQs. Thanks for solving it. Have a great day.